Welcome to the library's tutorial on how to request a digitised extract to your resource list. Please feel free to pause and rewind at any time. You may also find it beneficial to watch the whole video through first before you start to edit your list yourself. If you scroll underneath the video, you should find a group of timestamps so you can skip through the video if you want to. The library runs a digitisation service to scan extracts from books and journals and upload them to resource lists on academics' behalf. We also report annually to the Copyright Licensing Agency to ensure resource lists are operating within copyright guidelines and the CLA's education licence. For this reason, there's absolutely no need for academics to scan chapters themselves and upload them to Moodle. Our team is able to produce a high quality, accessible version and upload them to resource lists for you. We're also able to provide you with usage stats so you can know how much your students are reading the material. Uploading the scans of books and journals to Moodle will be operating outside of the CLA licence and also importantly cannot guarantee accessibility for students. You can request digitisation via resource lists. You may have just watched our video how to add a resource to your list. If you've never added an item to your resource list before, you may want to watch these first. To request a digitised extract from your resource list, you'll first want to bookmark the resource and place it on your list. As an example, I'm going to request an extract from Chapter 3 of Stella Cottrell's The Study Skills Handbook and put it in week 7 of our demo resource list. The important thing to remember when requesting digitisation is under the CLA licence, we're able to digitise 10% of the book's page length, or one entire chapter. So in a 100-page book, one chapter could amount to 30 pages, or 30% of the book's page length, and that would be fine. However, you couldn't have any more of that book. You might decide that students only require a small portion of that 30-page chapter, say one key passage from that chapter, and then 9 more key passages from the rest of the book. That would also be fine under the CLA licence and a service we provide for academics to link each extract separately to your resource list. So in this case, I'm going to bookmark the Study Skills Handbook by clicking Add to my bookmarks in the Bookmarks toolbar. If you go to the description box under this video, you'll be able to watch a more detailed video on how to bookmark. For the purposes of this video, I'll briefly describe bookmarking but concentrate more on requesting digitisation. Once you click Add to my bookmarks, click Create or Create and Add to List. When you click Create and Add to List, use the form to tell resource list where you'd like to place the book. I'm going to put it at the top of week 6. In the student note field, I'll direct the students in my class, please read chapter 2 in preparation for class. The library will always action a digitised extract based off the student note if there's no ebook available. Even so, it's extremely helpful if you enter a note for library. Only the library can see these notes. I'll type, please digitise chapter 2, then I'll add my initials and today's date. If you're requesting extracts, please always enter the page range. Always remember to select the importance. Digitised readings worked really well for essential reading, and students have told us they love having extracts to read, rather than being directed to entire books. If you don't enter a library note when you use Create and Add to List, you can always add one later. This will also be the process to request digitisation if you clicked Create after Add to my bookmarks, not Create and Add to List. To do this, go to your resource list by searching on the home page. Click Edit, then Edit List Classic in the top right. If you don't have the edit button, please email collections@roehampton.ac.uk and we'll give you editing rights for the list. Once in edit mode, scroll to the resource you're requesting a digitised extract for. Click Edit Notes and Importance. Here you can enter student notes and library notes just like you could on Create and Add to List. Once you've finished, click Save, then either Publish and Publish again, or Save Draft. The collections team will always see when you've added new library notes and student notes to your list. It's very helpful to enter a date as it can further indicate to us when it's a new request. The collections team will try to proactively digitise any extract you've suggested in your student notes. If you suggested multiple chapters from the same book, we'll be in touch to ask which part of the book you'd like digitised. The library aims to digitise your chapters the week following your request. This may not always be possible in busy times of the year. When an item is digitised, students can access it in the same way they would any online resource in your resource lists, by just clicking View Online. Anything you enter in resource lists will be carried across to Moodle when you use the Moodle plugin. To find out more about the Moodle plugin, you should find the link to the tutorial in the description box under this video. If you would like some training with a member of the library's academic engagement team, we have both one-to-ones and group sessions available. In a one-to-one, one of our engagement librarians can come to your office to provide you with resource list training. You can also arrange a group session if you and a group of colleagues would like to attend a training session together. If you click Help and Support at the top of any page on resource lists, you can also find more videos for editing your list. We've also delivered each tutorial in PDF and Word document format if you prefer to print them off and learn that way. To book a training session, or if you have any questions at all about your resource list, please email libraryengagement@roehampton.ac.uk and one of our librarians will get back to you.